today? Okay, here we have, like always, 100% cotton shirt. It's been soaked in soda ash water solution. Say that 10 times fast for 20 minutes or more. Spun out in the wash machine until damp. This is a 2X Fruit of the Loom, and we're going to do a spiral with Kinesi. Ready? I'm roughly looking for the center of the shirt by drawing a straight line down from the tag and across from the armpits. Looks like about here. I'm going to do a pinch. And I'm going to do a clockwise turn, which is going to create a spiral. I'm going to be pretty particular about the spiral. I want it to stay nice and flat. I want the folds to be a little bit more uniform because these are the shirts that are going to be for the September tie-dye club. You guys know how to spiral. Let's speed this up. We'll save some time. I'm excited about this. Got to use my marker because we are going to be using 12 colors on this shirt. And I'm excited. So we're going to be using the primary-esque colors that I have. And then we're going to be using like a, I don't know, like a muted counterpart. So primary on one side and then the muted counterpart on the other side. So I've got to make 6 pie pieces. So it'd be 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So just to be, I'm going to split it in half. And then split it in the thirds. A lot of color on this shirt. I can't explain to you how excited I am about this. So here we go. Are we ready? We're going to use a lot of colors. We're going to use fire red, soft orange, lemon yellow, bright green, brilliant blue, ultraviolet, and then on the flip, we're going to use coral pink, mustard, golden yellow, wasabi, celadon, sweet pea. Are you ready? Let's get busy. Fire red is such a intense mixture. For a cup and a half, there's 6 teaspoons of powder, and I never can get it to mix very well. These are natural fiber procion dyes, by the by, and they are mixed to the manufacturer's specifications. Alright, there's our fire red. I'm going to go next to that with soft orange. Next to that, then we got some lemon yellow. Gonna go next to that with some bright green. Brilliant blue. And then ultraviolet. Okay, let's flip it over. Let's see. Actually, there we go. All right. Now on this side, we're gonna do, on top of the fire red, we're gonna do coral. Let me fix that well that I got going on there. There we go. I'm gonna go coral pink. And then on the orange, we're gonna go with mustard. And my goal in this is that it makes like a blurred effect. Of the way the colors show next to each other or on top of each other. So it makes kind of a blurry. That's what I'm going for. So there's mustard. On top of the yellow goes golden yellow. Then on top of the bright green goes wasabi. And then Celadon on top of the Brilliant Blue. And Sweet Pea on top of the Ultraviolet. Okay. I'm so excited about this. I really am. I can't wait. So let's bag it. And I'll see you in 24 hours. Here it is. Oh my God. I am so excited about this. I'm so excited about that super primary color that is so bright. And then you have that muted color behind it. It almost makes like a 3D effect, like a real trippy effect. This is exactly what I wanted. It is so bright. I love this so much. So much. And this is part of the September Tie-Dye Club subscription. This is what everybody that subscribed to the Tie-Dye Club is going to be getting this month. I've told you about the Tie-Dye Club, right? On my Etsy store, I'll put a link to the bottom, is where you can go and you can subscribe to my Tie-Dye Club. It's a monthly subscription. You tell me your size. You buy as many month subscription as you want, 1, 3, or 6. Give me your address and leave the rest to me. And once a month, you'll be getting a new tie-dye in your size. It's loads of fun. People are loving it. I'm getting great reviews about it. Stop by and check it out. It's a lot of fun. I'm going to get a little bit closer with the camera. I want you to see this. So here's your deep red and your coral. And then you go up into your yellows and your mustards. And then we go over into the greens and the wasabi. How cool did this turn out? I am flat out in love with this. Let's look at the back. Oh. Wow. Cool. How cool did this turn out? I love the shirt. I gotta make one for myself. And if you like these kind of videos, please like and subscribe. I'll make sure to put these tie-dye how-tos in a playlist of their own so they're easier for you to find. I've got a ton of videos on my channel, everywhere from tie-dyeing to jewelry making to crafts to spirituality, my crystals, my life. It's just my journey on YouTube. And thanks for hanging out with me. And remember, be peaceful, be kind. It's important. I'll talk to you soon.